If you're upgrading your car stereo in a 1992 to 2008 GM, Suzuki, or Toyota vehicle, this dash kit is worth a close look. Designed to fit 1994 and newer GM vehicles with the oversized J-2001 Delco radio, it offers a sleek, factory-installed appearance once complete. That seamless, built-in look matters when you want your dashboard to feel original and polished. Crafted right here in the United States, this dash kit uses only the finest raw materials combined with advanced manufacturing technologies. The result is a product built for durability and a precise fit that surpasses standard OEM quality. You won't have to worry about flimsy parts or awkward gaps. This kit delivers a professional finish every time. American International, the pioneer in car stereo installation kits, brings over 60 years of experience to this product. Their expertise ensures that every mounting solution not only looks great but also holds up under everyday use. Made in their Camarillo, California facility, these kits set the industry standard for quality and innovation. Included with the kit are clear instructions and all the hardware you'll need for a smooth installation. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, this dash kit simplifies the process and helps you avoid costly mistakes. The sturdy design means fewer adjustments and a reliable fit, saving you time and frustration. One satisfied customer shared their experience with a 2001 Chevy Cavalier, highlighting the kit's solid construction and excellent value at just $7. They expected a cheap product but received a well-designed, durable stereo mount that fit perfectly with minimal tweaking. That combination of price and quality is hard to beat. What you get is a mounting solution that transforms your vehicle's dashboard into a centerpiece of craftsmanship and function. It's not just about looks. This dash kit creates a reliable, secure base for your stereo that lasts. That matters when your dashboard is a key part of your car's interior and your business's reputation. If you're ready to upgrade your stereo with confidence, this dash kit is worth considering. It balances affordability with professional-grade materials and design. Try it when you're ready to give your vehicle that clean, factory-installed look without the hassle or expense of custom work. In short, the 1992 to 2008 GM, Suzuki, Toyota dash kit offers what you need for a flawless installation: durability, precision fit, and a polished finish. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their car's audio setup while maintaining that authentic dashboard style.